Living in pain day in and day out. It is my honor to introduce Dr. Ho and to be working with you. We're going to have some fun and we're going to help some people, aren't we?
Yes, that's our goal here, to give you a life that's more active, that's healthier and happier. You know, I'm really excited today because we're launching my brand new pain therapy pro system. Now, we have sold the original unit around the world, many millions in units. And in fact, many customers here from our HSN station here have purchased the original unit. So if you have my original pain therapy system, take a moment, give me a call, because I'd love to hear from you. Now, if you suffer with neck pain, back pain, if you have tension in your shoulder, if you have neck pain that radiates up to your head, that ends up behind your eyes, or pain that radiates from your neck all the way down your arms, or back pain that goes down your hip or radiating along your sciatic nerve, okay? You want to try this. If you have joint pain, your knee, in your ankle, in your hands and feet, you want to try this. This is not a regular pain relief device. This is the latest technology for pain relief, and it's the only one I know of that is clinically proven to be fast, effective, temporary relief for all your aches and pain. How many of you wake up this morning with some types of pain? Or last night, you did not sleep very well because of your pain? Wow, take control of your life. Get your life back. Try this. Now, people love this because it's easy to use. Watch this very carefully, okay? I got the pads on, and it's very easy to use, okay? You got the self-adhesive pad. All you do is stick on the area where you have tension or pain, okay? Now, this is a brand new device. It's got this beautiful large LCD screen. You don't even need to have your glasses to operate because it's so large and easy. So I can select the mode. I'm going to go to mode B, and plus and minus is intensity. And by the way, there's 2 ports, so I can have 4 pads, and they have individual controls, so I can treat different areas of the body. So by triggering this, I'm increasing intensity. Now take a look at my shoulders now, okay? I say increase intensity, okay? Oh, I like to see both machine and the shoulder. There we go. Whoa! Okay, here we go. When you turn the intensity at a certain level, the magic begins. You feel this gentle wave of impulses deep inside the muscle, as your muscle's dancing. And it doesn't go in just one pattern. You watch carefully. Every few seconds, it'll stop, and you get a different wave. It's like kneading, and then bum, 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 then and then, the relief goes immediately, okay? And it happens right away. Within minutes, you get the relief you need. And if you try everything, nothing's worked, you try my Dr. Ho pain therapy system, you'll be pleasantly surprised how fast. I'm talking about within the first few minutes of you trying it, you will see a difference, not days or weeks. Within 20 minutes, you will say, wow, I love that little Dr. Ho because I feel better, okay? Now, Melinda.
I want to try it.
You want to try it?
Do you want to tell them everything that they're getting also?
Oh, sure, okay. Now, this is what you're getting. By the way, this same system sells for $200 in Canadian pharmacy stores. We're bringing this to you at a really special price. You'll get my brand new pain therapy system. Now, let me turn it on. You can see it's got this beautiful LCD screen. We got 7 modes of selection of treatment, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, or if you're not sure which one you love, go to all. 2 ports with individual control. 2 people can use it, or 2 different parts of your body can be treated at the same time. Big advantage having 2 ports. And it's rechargeable. It's got lithium-ion battery, so you don't have to buy, any batteries. You just recharge it. Nothing's needed. Everything's included. Now, over here, you can get a pair of large flex tone pads, okay? Those big pads, your low back will love them. They're good for large areas like low back pain, hip pain, pain that go along your sciatic nerve, knee pain, okay? Upper shoulder, rotator cuff, all large body areas. You also get 2 pairs of replacement pads. By the way, those are reusable at least 100 times. And you're going to get my pain plasma chart and the instructional DVD. This is no ordinary instruction. This is what I learned from 30 years of practicing chiropractic, acupuncture, different type of therapy. I know how to position your body and how to put the pads in the right location to get the best result. With this, you know exactly what to do for treating neck pain, back pain, shoulder tension, pain that goes up to your head, pain that goes down your arm, pain that goes down your leg, all the different areas, okay? And this is a portable system, so I'll give you an extra light travel case. I want you to bring this to work when you go on your vacation, when you go play your sports. It is there. With Dr. Ho, you are independent, okay? There's no pills, no appointments, and no ongoing bills. You get relief anytime you want, even in the middle of the night.
I'm ready.
Okay? I mean, believe me.
Okay.
You got to try this.
Okay.
Now, you've never tried this.
I've never tried
Are
this.
you a little bit nervous?
A little bit. A little bit. But I trust you. I trust you.
Well, a lot of people see my muscles jump and say, oh, maybe that hurts. No, it feels good. Try this, okay. Okay, let me turn mine down because as my shoulder's moving around, it's a little bit hard to work.
Okay.
This is powerful, but not painful at all because you can adjust the intensity, plus you can select the type of mode that you like. So just put this. Well, you do have a lot of tension here.
Tell me about
Who's
it.
giving you stress?
I think I'm giving it to myself, to be honest with you.
That's half the problem.
Okay.
We give stress to ourselves all the time.
Isn't that the truth?
But nowadays, life is stressful, okay? We got work, we got a lot of driving. You could sleep the wrong way or do some work that can cause stress.
So I could do this before I go to bed?
Yes.
Or I could do this during the middle of the day, as soon as I wake up, the moment that I'm feeling any pain.
Well, if you have trouble, okay, going to sleep because of your pain, go to bed with this because it's got auto shut-off timer. You can set for 20, 30, or 40 minutes, okay, by pressing this button, and the time will count down on its own, and the device will shut off by itself while you fall asleep. Most people fall asleep after just 10 minutes. Okay, here we go. Without any further delay, now I'm going to go slowly. You tell me when you start to feel it. I'm going to let you try mode A. Okay, there we go. Okay, we'll go slow. Just press this button here, a little bit of time. Let me know when you start to feel it.
I'm starting to feel it. It's making me, that's right where my stress is.
Yes.
So that will soften it?
Yes.
Okay. Holy schmoly.
Now, you're only about halfway. I'm going to turn up just a little bit more. Now,
so I'm getting like a little beep beep.
My device is different than any other device out there. Most other device, you feel pins and needle on your skin. Now, you tell me if I'm correct. This goes deep inside where the notches, where the pain. Oh, you see what happened? Now, she did not do that. Okay, you hold this and you control it. Oh, by the way, look at this is the cool thing. One machine, 2 people using it, and she have a 1 intensity level. I have a different intensity level. We are connected. This is better than online dating.
This is like a couple's massage. I love this.
Okay,
fantastic.
You take this. I want to show the viewers. This is what Melinda's feeling. As if there's a hands back here, kneading the muscle.
Absolutely.
And they'll squeeze the muscle.
Right.
Let it drop, and then go dum 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 dum, and then chop 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 chop, and then all of a sudden her tension goes gone. Can you feel the relief already?
Yeah, I told you I had a massage this weekend. It was $65.
$65 for one massage.
For one massage.
For the cost of 1 or 2 professional treatment, you can have years of unlimited relief. No extra battery, no appointments, no pills, nothing else to buy. You get this, you start to feel good right away. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you your own unit.
Okay.
And now, you can control the intensity by plus or minus sign. Okay?
Okay.
Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Have you felt anything like it?
Yeah. No, I actually
All right, I'm going to show you, okay, how to treat your entire body. This is a full body therapy system. So here, it's good for rotator cuff problems, okay, and for joint pain in your shoulder. Now, if you have elbow pain from playing tennis, from doing hard labor, a lot of construction guys, they use their arm a lot, or you play sports, you can get pain right here. You know what I mean? Right in that spot. No problem. I just turn it on, okay, increase the intensity. And right away, I can feel the relief, okay? I can, again, select from the different modes. By pressing this button, I can go to different modes. And each mode have many variety of treatment. And one thing that's very unique about my device, it constantly changes on its own. Your body never get used to it, and that's why you get immediate relief. Okay, look at that. Okay, right there, on this side elbow, on the other side the elbow. Okay, very simple. How many of you have pain in your wrist? And sometimes that pain goes right down to your fingers. You just put it on the carpal tunnel area for treating wrist pain. How many of you have joint pain in your hands, in your feet, in your knees? So simple. All I have to do is sandwich the joint. For immediate temporary relief, this is the best, no doubt.
I gotta tell you, as a first-time user, I have never felt really anything like this, and I dialed it down just a little bit, so I love that you can get whatever the pressure or whatever the sensation that you want, as deep as you want or whatever, and if you're in pain and you're looking for a solution for that temporary relief of pain, this is an amazing, amazing system. I can see why you've been all over the world and been successful, and for less than 2 massages. One therapeutic massage, deep massage, can cost you $150. For $129, you can feel immediate pain relief and get the sensation that I'm getting. And And dial it to your own recommendations, whatever feels right for
Customize
you.
it.
We also have free shipping and handling right now, which is fantastic, and we have FlexPays. So if you're interested in getting it home and trying it for as little as, what is our FlexPay? As, again? $25.99, because we have 5 flex pays. So for $25.99, you can get this home and start using it so that you're not going to be in, I call it the pain jail anymore, because this is a great key for you to get started. I'm going to let the doctor keep on going.
Okay, this is very important, okay? You know, I run a clinic that treats a lot of people with what we call whiplash problems in the neck. After a car accident or after a sports injury, people get neck pain, okay? And sometimes that pain, especially up here, the pain can travel all the way up to the head, end up in the temple area and behind the eyes. Or sometimes the pain from your neck can go all the way down to your hands because the nerve from here goes down your hand. So instead of treating your hand, we treat your neck. And that's on my instructional DVD, by the way, okay? So an advantage of having the two-port system of mine here, I can use 4 pads at the same time. And for treating neck pain and shoulder pain, this is the best way, using 4 pads together. 2 pads by itself simply don't work. So having 4 pads on, look what's happening here, okay? I can individually control the intensity of each of 2 pads. So I got 2 pads on my shoulder, 2 pads on my neck. So right now, okay, if you watch carefully, see how the muscles are pulsing on its own? It's relaxing, it's feeling good. I'm getting temporary relief right away. Now, I do this every night. Okay, because I want to reduce the tension in my neck and shoulder from the work I do every day, so I don't get in pain. And this is what you should do. If you have trouble with your neck or shoulder, or if you have trouble sleeping due to tension or pain, once you do this, you don't feel like talking anymore, okay? Because this, you know what I'm feeling? Okay, let me just close my eyes and just feel, it just feels like somebody's doing this, kneading, and then it'll stop, and then go, bum, 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 bum. Boom, 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 boom. And then like squeezing, lifting, squeezing, and then everything just let go. You feel total clear of stress. If stress bothers you, if it's stress in your head, stress in your neck, stress in your shoulder, stress in your mind, you put this, it's like, life's good again. And you know what? You usually fall asleep after about 10 minutes. And don't worry, you can set the timer for 20 or 40 minutes, okay? It will shut off by itself. You can fall asleep while you're getting the most incredible, relaxing massage.
Fantastic. Well, we have Brian that's going to tell us how he loves his Pro System.
I laid down with Dr. Ho and I put it on in the back of my neck and shoulder, and the vibrations that were coming through were relieving the pain. It was a great feeling of soothing power coming through. It was actually like there was actual fingers massaging my neck and taking the tension out of it. It's easy, it's simple, it's straightforward. But the number one thing is that it offers relief, and that relief comes in a variety of sensations. This has given me a positive outlook in life. I feel stronger, and I feel like nothing can stop me now.
Okay, this is the best deal for pain relief. I'm talking about a device that gives you multiple of therapy, 7 modes of treatment. It's like cross-training for pain relief. There's nothing like it. I know you probably try others, and you probably fail on you. Don't give up. This is something that works. This is something you can actually go to your doctor and get a prescription for a TENS device. In fact, when you buy from HSN, keep the receipt. Then go to your doctor, ask for a prescription for TENS, T-E-N-S. Take both, submit to insurance company. Some of them may reimburse you, but never buy it because you may get your money back. Buy it because you want to change your life. You want a happier, healthy life. You know, the key to living long and healthy is have a proper diet, exercise regularly. But if you're in pain, you can't regularly exercise. But if you use my system, you relieve the pain temporarily, and you get back to an active, happy life. And that's how I stay healthy, and that's how I want you to stay healthy. Okay, this is what you get. Don't miss this, okay? Brand new, okay? Pro Therapy. This is a professional hospital-grade TENS device with the latest technology, not one of those cheap toy-looking things. This is the one physiotherapists, chiropractor, hospital use around the world, okay? We got 2 ports, so you have 4 pads same time. Individual control, 7 modes of therapy, okay? Anytime you trigger, it lights up, so you don't need the glasses, okay? You get bad eyesight and still work. 7 modes, okay? Now, you're gonna get a pair of the large flex tone pad, good for treating low back pain, hip pain, pain that go down your sciatic nerve, Knee pain, fantastic for anyone with knee pain, sports injuries, okay? Ankle, problem, foot massage, I'll show you later. Okay, 2 pairs of replacement small pads. Small pads are good for treating your neck, your upper shoulder, even facial-related pain. Okay, very, very good for, pain around the dental and the jaw area. We use that all the time in the practice, okay? And anybody who's been involved with a car accident, sports injury, try this on your neck. Works wonderful. Now, every system comes with the detailed instructional DVD. It's what I teach my patients, exactly what I teach my patient for the past 30 years. And a handy chart you can keep in your bag. So do you take this with you? And I'll give you a super light travel case. You throw this in your travel bag.
You're telling them exactly.
Exactly. Oh, by the way, we have a toll-free customer service line. If you have any question, call us. Our reps can help you throughout your therapy. But chances you don't need anything. And this is the perfect gift. Ladies, if you know any gentleman out there that has pain, and guys usually don't kick themselves, get this for them. This will give them the gift of love because it allows them to relieve the pain and get back to living a normal life, be able to sleep, drive long trip, go on vacation, play sports, shovel snow, and just sleep through the night. This really works. You got to try it.
Great. So I think, Henry, we're going to talk to Henry.
Okay, let's talk to Henry.
Fantastic.
Okay.
So,
now, Henry, how are you doing here?
Excellent.
Okay.
Excellent.
Now, Henry here, I want to do something here. I'm going to do a therapy together, okay? Can you stand up, please? Okay. I want to show you how to treat lower back pain. I'm going to do it myself, and Henry's going to do it as well. Okay? First, I'll do it. Now, a lot of you have tension and pain in the shoulder and also in the low back. Can you hold this for me, Henry? Okay. I'm going to put my shirt up. If you have low back pain, this is the simple treatment. Now, this wire is for my mic and earpiece. This is not part of the system, by the way. Those pads here, they're really big. I put my low back, so anybody with low back pain, you want fast, temporary relief right there. If you have pain that goes to your hip, along the sciatic nerve, down your leg, put one pad here, another one on your buttock. That helps with the hip pain and the leg pain, okay? Now, let me turn it on. Show you the power of this little device. This is a pocket-sized device, but it's got more power than the units we plug in into the wall at the hospital, okay? I used to have a unit I paid $30,000 for. It will not give you this kind of power. It will not give you this kind of relief this fast. Look at that. The back muscle is tight and big, and that's why it hurts so much. But with my machine, it goes deep inside, not on the skin, not pins and needle, deep inside, and it feels like a deep massage. It doesn't feel like electrotherapy. It feels like a deep soothing massage, and it's constant change. And right away, you feel good, okay? So let me put it this way. So Henry, you have the pads on. Now, turn around, okay? Are you ready to be turned on?
Yes.
I just want to remind everyone, it's free shipping and handling.
Yes.
It's only $129. It's a lovely, lovely way to treat yourself to get out of the pain cycle. You know, that cycle of living in pain all the time. And what you're showing here is that way to individualize it.
Yes.
So Henry's got a different setting than you would have, than I would have, and we all get to use we can use the same system.
There we go. Okay. Now, I start on his low back. Okay. So, as you can see, his back muscle is starting to jump around now. What Henry's getting now is a deep kneading massage inside the back. It's releasing our tension here. So, if you have back pain, this will help to give him quick, temporary relief for the back. Now, if you got pain that goes down to the hip or down the leg, hold this for me, please. And what you do is, okay, I'm just going to use a dry pad to show you. If you have pain along the sciatic nerve, one pad here, one pad on your buttock, on the bare skin, okay, just like that. Or if you have pain that go right down to your leg, put the other pad down your leg, and that will help with the sciatic pain all the way down your leg. Quick, temporary relief every time it works, okay, just like that. Now, if you have pain in your hip joint, okay, you can put both sides of your hip. This is a total full body therapy system, and it's got special technology. What we have is our own proprietary auto-modulating pain relieving wave. It's constantly changing. What that means is your body will never get used to it. That's why you get immediate and long-term temporary relief. It works, and it works fast. In fact, this is the only unit that I know that has clinically proven. In fact, there's a published study, okay, that's done with my unit that has proven that for the first time you use it, you will feel an immeasurable difference with your level of pain. So if you have neck pain, shoulder pain, back pain, hip pain, knee pain. By the way, this is safe if you're on medication. This is safe if you have metal implants in your knee or hip. Okay, there's no drugs involved. If you're diabetic, you're gonna love this. Okay, you can use this for the sensitive pain that you have. Now, I got the low back on Henry here. Now I'm gonna turn his upper shoulder on. Okay, so up here now. Okay, let me just turn on. You see, just like that. Now the nice thing is, now I turn it high on Henry. Because he likes it high, and I also like it high. But you don't have to have it this strong, okay? Some people like it stronger, some people like it lighter. It's your choice. You can customize it. But even if you turn it full, it is not painful, and that's the big difference. My device is very, very soothing, and you control the intensity, you can control the mode, okay? And I see you can also control the time that you want. So I just adjust it, and I hand it over to Henry. Henry, you go ahead and control yourself. Sit down and relax. We're going to show them. I'm going to show you how to treat knee pain and how to give yourself a foot massage right now.
So if you're tired of living in pain, let's say you're lying in bed right now and you're thinking about getting up and getting out of bed, and you're like, oh, my knees, my back, my hips, wherever you're feeling pain, this system is the system that can relieve that pain for you. You can get the temporary relief. Dr. Ho has been all over the world with this system, and we're so thrilled that this is our launch for the United States. And Steve is here to tell us why he loves it so much.
I've tried different kinds of cold compressions on my back, heat pads, but nothing seems to work. I use Dr. Ho's in the morning, and the pain is almost instantly gone. My muscle tension is relieved. A wave of relaxation, one after the other, and it just feels great. I can go to work, I can participate in any activities I have to do throughout the day.
Woohoo!
Okay, ladies,
here we go.
Do you like foot massages? I know the type of shoes you wear. By the end of the day, your feet are screaming for some help, okay? When your feet hurt, everything feels tired and you get moody. Now, with my system...
It's cool.
Yeah, you can get... Let's see your unit here.
Yeah, got my
now,
unit.
Look at... You're getting a massage for your shoulder.
I'm still doing my shoulders.
And now we're going to give you a foot massage, okay?
Okay.
So let me turn on. Okay, actually, I always like to see the face when we do the foot massage here. Always very cool. Okay, here we go. Okay, here you go. Melinda, you're getting a foot massage. Here we come. You feel it?
Yeah.
Now, you control yourself. Isn't that amazing? It's just leave her speechless.
That's a first. Oh my gosh, it's fun.
Okay.
It kind of like, it tickles in a good way.
Yeah, what it does is stimulate all the reflex points, okay? And we stimulate reflex points, it relaxes you, okay? Go ahead there, Cola. Now, Cola's trying for the first time on her feet, okay? I'd like to see her facial reaction here.
You want it on A or?
That's fine, okay? And trigger the plus button until you feel the massage. You feel it?
Yes, right now, actually, you also have it on my back, so I feel it on the back.
So you get low back pain treatment and foot massage same time. Hey, ladies, this really is the perfect gift.
It's a high-end spa right now, I must say.
This is the perfect gift for yourself. Imagine coming home, get a massage anytime you want, okay, over your body, especially for your feet. And gentlemen, get this as a gift for the lady in your life, because you know why? Because she can get the foot massage she wants for as long as you want. You can watch your sports game, and you both be very happy. And that's a fact, okay? And no one has to do anything. Right. You just sit back and relax.
This is going right up my leg, so it's going through my ankle, into my calves, and it would go up into your knees. So if you're feeling pain any of these places, that's getting relieved. You're getting that temporary relief, right? It's not just a massage, it's really the relief.
That's why people with diabetes love this machine, because like diabetic patients, okay, they always get this tingling and sensation and pain in the leg. They also have hypersensitivity. When they stimulate the feet, the whole leg feels better, because like you say, the relief goes right up your leg, and that feels amazing. Okay, we're running out of time. By the way, I only have 2 shows altogether, and we have very few units for this launch, so don't miss out this incredible system. Okay, knee pain. Knee is something you must fix, okay? And you can fix it without doing anything other than using this. Look at that. Temporary relief right away for your knee. I basically stay healthy because I'm able to use my own product to relieve the pain so I can stay active and play the sports I want, okay? I tell you, if your knee don't work, or if your foot don't work, if your back don't work, you don't move. When you don't move, your health will deteriorate. Use your knee 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 3-4 times a day, you're going to feel amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, try
so
it.
we've got one of your favorite people. Mandy
Okay.
is on the line, is going to tell us why this is one of her favorite products.
All right.
Okay.
Before trying this device, I was actually nervous. I thought it was going to be painful and uncomfortable, but it's actually really relaxing and gentle. I really like the timer feature because that it would allow me to get a nice massage as I'm falling asleep really late at night. I find with this device, on the nights that I'm not able to fall asleep, I can actually put it on and get a really nice massage, and that helps me sleep, and then I can do my job better in the morning. I don't have the time to go and get massages, and I don't have the money either, but with Dr. Ho, I can get a massage whenever I want and save both time and money.
You don't have to live with pain anymore. I think that's the point that we keep on talking about here. Dr. Ho is, this is a passion of his to give us pain relief, and it's fun. It's fun. It feels good. It's soothing. It's relaxing.
That's right.
And for $129.95, 5 flex pays for less than $26, you can have this home. You can have this Pro System home, the same system that you're seeing in professional offices for less than, like, almost half the price you can get in other countries. We've got an HSN exclusive here that we're launching for you today, so we're so excited. We don't have that many of them for the entire show, so please, 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 if you're not wanting to live in pain anymore,